AtomStack Swift Mini. Powerful laser creativity in your pocket. Swift Mini, big creativity in a pocket-sized form. Compact, refined, ready to create straight out of the box. All you need is a power bank to create freely outdoors. Mini body, effortless operation. Lift it, hit start. Watch every detail come to life. Perfect for night markets and on-site customization. Laser engraving anywhere life takes you. Your creativity begins the moment you press Engrave. No boundaries, engrave whenever inspiration strikes. AI-powered software with built-in text-to-image tools, your ideas become art in seconds. Let creativity shine through every corner of daily life. A blue light laser with an ultra-fine 0.04 x 0.04 mm spot delivers vivid, intricate detail with every stroke. Upgradable to a 1.2 watts infrared laser module. Engrave more metals and plastics, especially gold, silver, copper, and iron. And craft truly one-of-a-kind custom jewelry. A vast library of project templates to choose from. One-click operation. What you see is what you get. Flexible accessory expansion. Attach height risers or pair it with the R8 rotary chuck. The software automatically detects the accessory, making cup engraving simple and intuitive. Make everyday objects uniquely yours. Pair it with the R6 roller for irregular objects and daily customization projects. Turn creativity into value and unlock new business opportunities. This is the AtomStack Swift Mini. Compact by design, multifunctional at its core, made to inspire a new generation of creators.